So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Google Play on iPhone. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now tap here. After this, tap on this icon. Now here tap on New tab. Now tap here and type play.google.com. Now tap on this icon. Now this will open Google Play website. Here tap on this icon. Now tap on share. And here scroll down and tap on add to home screen. Tap on add. And this will add Google Play icon on the iPhone home screen. Now tap on it. And this will take you to Google Play. Now here, look for the app you want to install. For example, this one. Now tap on install on more devices. And this will show you your device. Tap here. And now from here, you can select your device. For example, this one. Tap on install. And this will install the app on that phone. So this way I can use Google Play on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.